Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight, we will discuss about the combination circuit. This is a series parallel, combination 1. This is voltmeter, direct current, negative, and the positive terminal. Yung voltmeter natin is set to 15 volts, direct current power supply. Yung positive natin, nakaparallel siya sa lamp A and lamp B. Then, ang lamp A nakaseries siya sa lamp C and lamp E patungo sa negative terminal. Then, yung lamp C natin nakaparallel siya sa lamp D. Then, ang lamp E natin nakaparallel sa F, lamp F. Then, another terminal, another connection is combination 2 circuit. This is series parallel pa rin guys. Combination 2. This is a voltmeter, direct current, negative terminal, positive terminal. This is C to 12 volts, direct current power supply. Ang lamp A, naka-series parallel siya sa lamp B. Then, ang lamp C, naka-series parallel siya sa lamp D. Ang terminal 1, 5, o 9, naka-series siya patungo sa positive terminal. Then, yung terminal 10, naka-series siya sa 11 para sa lamp F. Then, ang 12, naka-series sa 8 and 4 para sa negative terminal. Bible verse of the day, John 1:12. But as many as receive him, to them give the power to become the sons of God, even to them that believe on his name. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.